to get your big circle object, put it on the cardboard, then trace around it just like this. Just like that. Then remove the object. You can either cut it out first or draw put down the smaller object and trace around it. Go in the middle, just like this, and trace around it. And then you have to get your scissors and cut it out. You have to cut it like this. Then take the part that you cut out away. And then you have to get your circle container again and do that same thing. Repeat the steps that I just showed you. You have to make sure that you have both bits on top of each other. And then get your wool and start it.
Do you want me to help you with that bit?
Yeah, can you just tie it up?
Wrap it down there.
And you can get a parent's help to tie a knot if you don't know how to tie knots.
Oh, that's tricky.
Yeah, it's hard to tie knots.
There you go.
And then you have to wrap it around. Stop.
Keep doing it.
If you want a really fluffy one, do it around like 4 or 5 times. But if you do it around too many times, you might not be able to do the last step as well as you can. 3's enough times to make it super fluffy. You say, get your scissors and cut the string. Then you can just put the string under one of the other ones, just like that. And then you need a parent with super sharp scissors. And you need to get the 2 sides and cut through the wool. And then
you need to get a bit of wool ready.
Then you need to cut a bit of wool. It doesn't matter what colour. And then you have to
hold all that.
Then do the other side. Wait.
Ready?
Then you want to get your piece of string you cut out and put it through the hole. Wrap it around.
Got it? So now we have to tie it.
Then tie it If you don't know how to tie, just get your get a parent to help you tie.
Those bits off now.
Then you have to take the cardboard off, just like this, and you're done.